Okay, everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be learning the full Windsor or double Windsor tie knot. This will be the thick end of the tie. This will be the thin end of the tie. First things first, you're going to need the thick end of the tie to be significantly longer than the thin end. How long will depend on your body length, your neck width, and your tie length. So after a few tries, you'll probably work out exactly where you need to be. First of all, we're going to cross that thick end over the thin end and hold it with your thumb and forefinger. Then we're going to bring this thick end round the back. We're going to bring it round the back and then tuck it through the middle. So it goes round the back and then through the middle. Now that will produce a little shoulder in the tie, and we need to make one in the other side, and that's what gives this knot its width. So we bring the tie, which should be hanging backwards, to the other side and then tuck it through the middle again. And there you see you've created this other shoulder, and it's got a sort of heart shape. And the tie will be hanging backwards directly down. I then bring the tie to the other side to make it more symmetrical, bring it across the front, and then from behind through the neck hole, bring the thick end through. Then the tie will be hanging directly down, and it just needs to then get pushed through this single piece of fabric at the front. As you're doing that, grab the thin end of the tie so that as you tug it, the knot tightens. Grab the bottom of the knot and slide it while continuing to hold the thin end towards your neck. It may need a few pulls and a bit more squeezing at the bottom, but eventually you'll have this nice triangular knot. You can then let go of the thin end and tuck it into the loop if you've got one in the back of your tie. And there you have a perfect full Windsor tie knot. If you've done it, please like and subscribe the video. And if you like our ties, then please visit us at reefknots.com, where you'll find our 100% recycled plastic ties. Thank you and see you soon.